Here we have an extension on that Make-10 frame using fact families, things like that for addition and subtraction. Using this for addition, we have the Make-10, and so we're using two add-ins. Well, of course, you can have students place objects on top, or with a marker, you can go ahead and have the students color in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then with an opposite color, they can go ahead and mark those other ones. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever number, whatever sum you're making in total that you're working on, I like to do groups of 9 or groups of 10. So for this right here, we can go ahead and say 4 plus 6 equals 10. Or I can say 6 plus 4 equals 10 as well. That's how I use this front side. Also, later on when you get ready to do fact families and Dominos, you can cut each one of these out. So there are 5 Make-10s here, and each one of them can make 5 dominoes. So you can have up to 5 dominoes right here for any fact family you want. And what I mean by that is, if I were to cut along that line right there, I could have that be a domino, and my students can be working on that as well. On the back side of this document is where we have the fact families and things like that. And so, I apologize for the marker right there. But on the front side, if you separate it, they're making a Make-10. While on this back side, they can go ahead and do their numbers, their word sentences, and their equations for them as well. Again, as always, make sure students have manipulatives and they're using those to model what they're doing with that addition or subtraction.